Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come with another video. So once again, thank you to all for giving your precious response on the previous video. In previous video, I have given you the information about 20 plus courses which were free by Coursera. If you haven't watched my previous video, then I recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. Today I am back with a new platform. Today I will provide 35 plus upgrade courses and the procedure to enroll it. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Some of you have query like why do I have to do an upgrade course? Upgrade has created the unique ecosystem within itself which is known as Upstart. It helps you to stay ahead of the curve and experience a part of upgrade learning experience free of cost. You can choose course from data, technology and management domain and build your foundational knowledge in area of your choice. As a part of this course, you will have access to one-on-one industry mentorship, cutting-edge content, weekly live lecture, and certificate on successfully course completion, and all of this completely free of cost. So you can start investing 30 minutes every day and start your upscaling process. Its courses are designed in collaboration with leading industry experts to help you develop strong fundamentals. In Upgrade, top universities are providing online courses which have values of lakhs of rupees. But you have chance in which Upgrade is giving you 35 plus free courses. So don't miss this opportunity. Hence, I recommended you to watch the whole video. In Upgrade, free courses are divided into 5 topics. The topics are business basic, data science and analysis, marketing, machine learning and technology. Here you can see the courses of business analysis. The first course is Introduction to Data Analysis using Excel. This course is for 12 hours. In this you will learn basic skill to get your comfortable with Excel function and analysis. The second course is Business Communication Masterclass. This course is for 2 hours. In this you will masterclass on presentation, negotiation and persuasion skills by Rakesh Godwani and adjunct faculty at IIM Bangalore. The third course is Marketing Masterclass Create Your Brand. This course is for 1 hour. In this, you will do masterclass on building favorable brands from Siddharth Roy Kapoor from MD of the Walt Disney Company India. The fourth course is Economic Masterclass. This course is for 2 hours. In this, you will do masterclass on microeconomics and its impact on daily life by Deopan, Chief Economist at Piramal Group. The fifth course is Analyzing Pattern in Data and Storytelling. This course is for 6 hours. In this, you will learn to identify pattern and communicate the insight you draw from data effectively and work. The sixth course is Advanced Data Analysis in Excel. This course is for 15 hours. In this, you will learn to assess the data you have to build an informed strategy to grow the business. The sixth course is Advanced Data Analysis in Excel. This course is for 15 hours. In this, you will learn to assess the data you have to build an informed strategy to grow the business. The seventh course is Introduction to Business Analytics. This course is for 18 hours. It will help you to understand business buzzword, dissect problem, formulate hypotheses, and understand how decision making take place in organization. In data science and analytics, the first course is Introduction to Programming with Python for Beginners. This course is for 17 hours. In this, you will learn the syntax of Python programming language, its data structure and control structure, and the application of object-oriented programming in Python. The second course is Basic Python Programming. This course is for 15 hours. In this, you will revise the basic concept of list and string from coding perspective in Python. The third course is Learn Python Library, NumPy, Matplotlib and Panda. This course is for 15 hours. In this you will learn the different library like NumPy, Matplotlib and Panda. The fourth course is Basics of Inferential Statistics. This course is for 15 hours. In this you will learn about probability and statistics, continuation, discrete probability distribution, sampling method, and their error quantification and central limit theorem. Fifth course is hypothesis testing crash course. This course is for 11 hours. In this you will learn about type of test, decision making, critical value and p-value method for testing. The sixth course is Introduction to Database Design with MySQL. This course is for 11 hours. In this you will understand database design and basic of MySQL using MySQL Workbench. The seventh course is Advanced SQL Functions and Formula. In this you will learn about the window function, case statement, stored function and query optimization. The eighth course is Linear Algebra for Analysis. This course is for 5 hours. In this you will go through the basics of linear algebra. The ninth course is Fundamental of Deep Learning of Neural Networks. This course is for 28 hours. In this you will know the basics of neural networks and concepts related to deep neural network. The 10th course is Introduction to Natural Language Processing. This course is for 11 hours. In this you will learn the basics of natural language processing and use regex to build tools for spell correction, photonic hashing, and spam detection. In marketing, first course is Fundamental of Marketing. This course is for 14 hours. In this, you will understand what marketing is and how it helps in business and growth objectives. The second course is Introduction to Social Media Marketing. This course is for 10 hours. In this, you will learn the leverage social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to increase your brand presence. The third course is Web Analytics course for beginner. In this you will understand your online audition and measure the performance of your campaigns. The fourth course is Basics of Search Engine Optimization. This course is for 6 hours. In this you will go through the basics of SEO, conducting an SEO audit and SEO operation. The fifth course is Basic of Search Engine Optimization. This course is for 6 hours. In this you will go through the basics of search engine marketing and how to leverage it for your business objective. The sixth course is Ultimate Guide for Email Marketing. This course is for 4 hours. In this you will understand how to build, launch and analyze the email campaigns. The seventh course is Complete Guide on Content Marketing. In this you will learn about the creating content strategy and execution plan and defining campaign metrics. In machine learning, the first course is Linear Regression, Step-by-Step Guide. This course is for 21 hours. In this you will learn to understand and identify the impact on business variable over another. The second course is Logistic Regression for Beginner. This course is for 17 hours. In this you will study the theory of logistic regression, a machine learning technique for binary classification. The third course is Unsupervised Learning Clustering. This course is for 11 hours. In this you will learn how to group elements into different clusters when you don't have any predefined labels. In technology, first course is Blockchain Technology, the quick introduction. This course is for 9 hours. In this you will learn fundamentals of blockchain and how to use an alternate existing legacy system. The second course is Advanced Blockchain Features Simplified. This course is for 5 hours. In this you will learn about the global use case in blockchain as well as about smart contract and their associate features. The third course is JavaScript Basic from Scratch. This course is for 19 hours. In this you will learn the concept of variables and data types, conditional, loops, array, object and functions in JavaScript. The fourth course is Advanced JavaScript for All. This course is for 25 hours. In this you will learn advanced JavaScript concept around the client-side function version of all language and async. The fifth course is Core Java Basics. This course is for 23 hours. In this you will learn the concept of variable and the various data types that exist in Java. You will get introduced to conditional statement, loop and functions in Java. The sixth course is Object-Oriented Analysis and Design for Beginners. In this you will learn about object-oriented analysis and design and why you need it. You will get introduced to the object-oriented paradigm of software development and with unified modeling language. The seventh course is Object-Oriented Principle in Java. In this you will learn about framework of classes and object, and also introduce to the principle of OOP like abstraction, encapsulation, etc. For enrolling, you have to create your account. You have to give first name, last name, email ID, your phone number and password, and then click on sign up. After that you have to enter your credential and click on login. For enrolling any course, you have to click on register. Automatically the new tab will open and you will successfully register on the course. Each course divided into 4 parts, and each part consists of different modules. If you complete all 4 parts which consist of different modules, then you will get the certificate. You have to complete the course before 31st March 2021. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Thank you.